Right, before anyone starts, I know I still have a Christmas air freshener in the car. Not getting rid of it. Fun fact though, see if you ever come to Scotland, right, and you come to a place called Camelon, or Camelon the train calls it. Some people call it Camelon, some people call it Camelon. Go to the bowling that's down there, it's called Tempin Bowling, it's actually pretty good, you should try it out. Now, a lot of people have asked me what I've done to my car since the last video I made. I had some people in the comments as well when I asked if you could give me questions, and one person was saying make videos on like doing stuff to your car or talking about what you've done to your car, and I've pretty much done quite a bit to the car so far ever since that video. The car's been remapped, it's had a lot of paint work done, it's got a new exhaust system in, it's pretty good. I just never recorded it all because as you know, well, some people will know I've been going through quite a bit, hence why I wasn't uploading anything. But now I'm back to trying this out. I've got new equipment as well. I've got a new mount for the POV videos, so it makes it a lot easier to drive without actually having to get a sore head, because the last time it was kind of dangerous and it was getting in the way of my vision. Also forgot to mention I got a new radiator put in, and I also had to get my head gasket done because yes, just like normal MG, it did unfortunately pack in on me. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to take a drive to somewhere called Culross, and I'm just going to talk to you guys at the same time and just show you what the car's like, maybe rev it a little, maybe if you can hear some pops and bangs. I don't think the camera will pick it up because I've not sorted audio out yet. I will need to go ahead and see if I can save up money. It might take a while to see if I can invest into getting some sort of audio equipment so I can put it at the back of the car so you can hear the car and how the car sounds. And there's the police that have just passed me. Hopefully they're not going to be looking at me as if I'm some sort of weirdo and I need pulled over or something. I kind of have a camera strapped to my bloody forehead, so they might want to know what's up with that as well. On my insurance anyway, it does say I'm an entertainer. That's the whole point of that's why my insurance cost me so much, I think, as well, because I've got entertainer on my policy, so they know that I use this car for business use as well. So that's probably why I've not been pulled over as much, but I'll never know. Maybe I'm just a good boy and I never get pulled over for being a good boy. But yeah, so back to what I've done to the car. So the remap is actually really cool. I really love it, and the exhaust thing, I've got the car sounding the way I want it. As I said, unfortunately it might not come through on camera as well when I put my foot down, but I will be putting my foot down soon so you can hear it. Now this car, when it did get remapped, it made it a bit better, but it's still the car in general, it's only a 1.4. I've not turboed it yet. I will be turboing it at one point, but at the moment it's not the fastest car out there. It's a high revving car. Now the only way to get this car to do decent speed and good speed is if you rev it in the high revs. I've had a lot of people, I did have people in my comments in my last video talking about how high my rev gauge was. What am I doing with my hand? When I was obviously going up speed. That's just because it's just the way this car is, and it is a 1.4 at the end of the day. You need to put your foot down if you want to go somewhere. I love this car though. I genuinely, with the amount of money I've spent on this car, I could have went for another car that was like, you know, brand new and all the electronics and had everything and it was faster, but I don't know, I just felt like this car stood out to me. I wanted to be different, that's all, that's literally it. I wanted to be different, and someone I know had one of these when I was younger, and ever since I seen it, I wanted one day. This is back when they were more popular, but now they're really rare, so I'm really happy that I got myself a good model that's in good condition. There's a Subaru. I just thought I'd wave him. They didn't give me a wave back. That's so nasty. Us car people are meant to stick together. Right, we're going on the motorway now. As I said, it's an MG. I got to downshift and then send it a bit to get up speed. Getting a 7, hit rev limiter. Go, 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 go. We're safe to go on. Cool. Oh, this car is amazing. Oh, it was popping there. That was so nice. You probably never heard that, but it was popping there when I let my foot off the accelerator. I went boom, 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 boom. But it's only slightly, and that's what I like about it. It doesn't ear rape everybody around me. That's what I really like about my car. It's not like a lot of teenagers nowadays that just go bang, 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 and it just ear rapes everybody. I really like how nice and subtle it is. Have you guys tried this? What do you think of it? Let me know. I think it's really, really good. Hello van, how you doing, man? I'm gonna wave at you. I didn't get a wave back. You're probably thinking, why are you waving at me, man? Kincardine Bridge. Wait, that says Kincardine on Forth Bridge. I think I read that wrong. Okay, so we're coming onto the fun roads now. These are the windy roads, the kind of back roads that I really, really like, and some other people like to watch cars driving on. Oh god, it's bumpy as heck here. That is a massive pothole. Do you guys see that pothole? There's a car. Hello there. That was massive. This car. This is why I love this car, these roads. This car, it has its good spots, and it's these roads that, oh my god. These cars are like go-karts. They handle so well. Their steering is amazing. Oh my god, the handling is unbelievable. Let's slow down here because I know there's a corner coming up and there's a bit of water there. The car popped there, that was beautiful. When I went into second there for this little corner, the exhaust popped. Oh, this is the big bump, watch. This is, oh Jesus Christ, I always remember that. I'm going to stay in second now. I don't know when the next corner comes up. Right here. Okay. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, there's a Mini. I've caught up to a Mini. Oh, it's popping again, bro. It keeps going boop, 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 out the exhaust. I really hope you guys can hear that. This is why I need to invest into getting some sort of audio to figure out how you can hear the exhaust. I need to get some sort of microphone that hooks up next to the exhaust so you can hear it. Oh, that was quite tight. But yeah, like genuinely, that's really what I need because it sounds so good. It goes boop, 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 and it's perfect. It's not too loud and it's not too quiet. It's just so nice sounding. It genuinely is like a little rally car, even though it's a 1.4. I really need to turbo it. It's remapped now, so that added what, like 10 brake horsepower to it. Not too much, but it does. I did feel the difference. I did feel the difference. I just wish that these cars didn't rattle so much. Like, they're so low to the ground, and not being funny, but it was MG back then. They just kind of shoved everything in the interior and tried to cut budgets as much as possible, because they did eventually end up going bust, of course. So the inside of the car is mostly, oh, that's a speed bump, is mostly plastic. I got lucky there. I went right through the middle of that speed bump, and I just seen the people. I think they were looking at me. I caught them at the corner of my eye. But who cares? To be honest with you, I need to start getting used to being who I am and what I enjoy, and that's recording and doing car stuff. If people will look at me weird, then it is what it is, man. Like, I'm just doing my hobby. I'm doing what I enjoy. Okay, gotta slow down here and let this car pass. Me and this Mini Cooper. Mate, that is illegal. What have I just witnessed, man? God's sake, man. His parents need to give him a smack on the arse. Wallop, wallop, wallop. Anyways, that was the end of this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to smack a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you want more videos like this, and if you want me to talk about anything in specific, let me know in the comments down below. My name is Neon, everyone, and I'm out. Peace.